welcome to My Chef Skills. My name is Philli, MasterChef The Professionals finalist 2020. Join me on this course where I'm going to show you how to cook Pan-Asian cuisine to a professional standard. I find that a lot of people shy away from cooking Pan-Asian cuisine because some of the ingredients might be a bit daunting when you see them on the supermarket shelves, but it doesn't need to be that way. Throughout this course, I'm going to make Pan-Asian cuisine so much more accessible so you can be able to cook confidently in your kitchen. My passion is Asian cuisine. I traveled around Asia and I want to show you all these different ingredients that I found along my travels and bring these into your home kitchen so you're going to be comfortable in using these ingredients in your day-to-day recipes. The dishes you'll be learning to cook in this course with me are furikake, which is Japanese rice seasoning that you can use to garnish not only rice but sandwiches, and you can just shove it on everything. And we're going to be using it on a couple of the other dishes in the course. Octopus, we're going to prep it, braise it in a dashi broth and then grill it so you get that ultimate charred flavour. And then that's all going to be topped off with a takoyaki sauce and a Japanese mayo. I'm going to be making Chinese pot sticker dumplings with two different fillings. One will be a tofu and shiitake mushroom filling, and then the other will be a classic pork and cabbage filling. And that's going to be served with the tastiest dumpling dressing. We're going to be making dan dan noodles from scratch. That's making the noodle dough as well as cutting the noodles. We're going to be serving that with soy and 5-spice beef, pak choy, and a soy tahini sauce. And my favorite recipe is bao. These are the ultimate bao buns. We're going to be serving them with a chicken and leek stuffing and a chicken sauce and topping that off with chicken skin. The second bao are going to be stuffed with a cheeky chocolate filling. We're going to be making okonomiyaki. It is a Japanese street food and a savory pancake, mostly found in Osaka. It's going to become your weekday staple and it's one of my favorite dishes. I served it on MasterChef and it went down a treat. I'm going to be showing you how to prepare a scallop and serving this with a truffle ponzu. This is a delicious light starter for any dinner party. Beef tartare, it's a classic starter, but I'm going to be putting my twist on it. I'll be serving this with a wasabi mayo, wonton nachos, and a cured egg yolk. This is a classic starter with a Philly twist. Using my chef skills, I'm going to be taking you behind the MasterChef curtain. We're going to learn how to truly cook and unleash your potential. And after all, the more you cook.